Shush. It's in the kitchen on the island.
The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scurry County in western Texas, Mitchell County in western Texas, Eastern Borden County in western Texas, Howard County in western Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Time. At 3:10 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Colorado City Airport or near Colorado City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail.
Oh!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Holy crap. Hang on. Wall of dust.
Colorado City State Park.
Colorado City Airport, J.B. Thomas Reservoir, Champion Creek Reservoir, Westbrook, Cuthbert, Dunn, Knott, and Gilmer. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 177 and 228. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
All right.
Therefore, the warning